Hello, I am discussing diphtheria. Diphtheria treatment. Treatment diphtheria number one. Patient is got admitted to the hospital to prevent the infection from spreading to the other people. If cytomembrane is causing difficulty in breathing, a part of all of it is removed. Diphtheria infection is treated with two types of medicines. Number one is antibiotics, that is to kill the diphtheria bacteria. Number two is antitoxin. Antitoxins to neutralize the effects of toxins produced by the bacteria. Antitoxins to neutralize the effects of toxins produced by the bacteria. Usually antibiotics are given for 14 days. And test to find out if the bacteria is still present or not. If bacteria are even there after this treatment, then antibiotics are given for more days, that is for 10 days more. Once treatment is completed, it is not infectious to the other people. Patient is not infectious to the other people, but can only leave. The patient can only leave the isolation ward till test shows that one is completely free of the infection. After treatment, patient should get diphtheria vaccine, because one diphtheria infection cannot stop the person from getting the infection again. Testing and treating close contacts of the patient should be treated with the antibiotics and booster dose of the vaccine. Anyone who is in close contact, for example, family or other members of the household or doctors or visitors to the family, should get a treatment. And should get treatment of diphtheria by the doctor. Antibiotics for close contacts also may be given, and booster dose of diphtheria vaccination may be given. Any healthcare worker who cared for diphtheria patient will be tested and treated. And the risk is low. Even the risk may be low. So the treatment number one was the patient is got admitted to the patient. Patient is got admitted to the hospital. Number two, notify the case. Number two, notification of the case to the public health authorities. As the disease is very fatal and infectious, so it is mandatory to notify the public health authorities and the of the district, and the patient is kept isolated till 3 consecutive cultures are found negative. Number three, ADC, that is antitoxin diphtheria, ADS, antitoxin diphtheria serum. Antitoxin diphtheria serum is given intramuscularly. After sensitivity test. After sensitivity test, which is done by giving a small amount of the serum to the patient. Which is tested by giving a small amount of serum to the patient. Then next is antibiotics. Now, अपना ADS चल रहा है, and the treatment for the emergency, one should keep these things ready. That is adrenaline, antihistamines, and corticosteroids should be kept ready. And next is antibiotics. Antibiotics, the good choice is penicillin. That is penicillin G, 6 lakh units intravenously. Penicillin G, 6 lakh units intravenously IV 12 hourly for 7 to 10 days. That is penicillin, number one. Number two, here is amoxicillin. Number two is amoxicillin. Amoxicillin 500 milligram 6 hourly or 8 hourly. Amoxicillin stay 8 hourly for 7 to 10 days. If allergy to penicillin, then we may use erythromycin 6 hour erythromycin 500 milligram, erythromycin 500 milligram 6 hourly, or azithromycin 500 milligram one daily, or rifampicin 600 milligram once daily, maybe 7 to 10 days, or as may be the case. And the context of the diphtheria patients should be given erythromycin 500 milligram 6 hourly for 7 days. And the context of the patient should be given erythromycin 500 milligram 6 hourly for 7 days to eradicate the carrier state also. Then the next is the tracheostomy. Next is the tracheostomy, tracheostomy. Tracheostomy, even laryngeal obstruction is there. And then next is ECG monitoring. ECG monitoring is done if the heart is involved. If there is involvement of the heart, cardiac involvement. That is about the treatment. Now the prevention of the diphtheria. Primary immunization schedule I have discussed in a next chapter, in a other part of the diphtheria, like part 4. Then comes the cutaneous diphtheria. Cutaneous diphtheria treatment. Cutaneous diphtheria treatment. We should thoroughly wash the wound infected with soap and water, and test 2 weeks later. After 2 weeks, we will test it to find if the bacteria are still present or gone. That is all about the treatment.